Good morning, students. I hope all are fine. Yes, you know very well the first term, it means FA1. It's coming soon. Already you got the timetable, even you got the syllabus also. So, in this class, I am going to tell you what are the things you have to prepare for FA1 test. I am telling you only English grammar. Okay, so which are the things you have to prepare? Let us see first one. First, you have to prepare sentence. Yes, already you learnt sentence. This thing you have to prepare. Then, kinds of sentence. This one also you have to prepare. First sentence. What is the meaning of sentence? You have to look once again. Sentence ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋರಿ. So ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ as well as you have to look kinds of sentence. How many kinds of sentence are there? Declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Is it right? These are kinds of sentence. You have to look this one also. Okay, is it understand? What you have to look? Sentence, kinds of sentence, declarative, interrogative. You have to look definition. What is the definition of declarative sentence? So what type of examples are there to the declarative sentence? Then come to the interrogative. Yes, interrogative sentence. Yes, you know very well, end with what? That like. So how many types are in interrogative sentence? What type of examples are there? You have to look once again. Then imperative means what? Definition with example you have to look once again. Then exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence also you have to look. Okay. Is it understand? First sentence, then kinds of sentence. Other than next parts of speech. Parts of speech. Yes, already you learnt. It means 4, 2 or 5 parts of speech are completed. 4 to 5. Yes, of course. So here you have to look what is parts of speech. You have to know what is parts of speech. Parts of speech are there. Even how many parts of speech are there? ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ and which are they? ಅವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? ಎಂಟಿದಾವೆ. ಅವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂದರೆ noun, pronoun, adjective, okay, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These are parts of speech. So even definition, you have to know definition. If for example noun, what is noun? You have to write what is noun. Then kinds of noun also you have to check it. Kinds of noun. How many kinds of noun are there? Which are the kinds of noun are there? You have to look once again. Okay, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun, countable and uncountable. Yes, all those are kinds of noun. Then you learn what you have to look. What? Pronoun. What is pronoun? Then what is verb? What is adverb? So what is yes, however, how much completed? What are the parts of speech completed? All those you have to look once again. Definition with example. Parts of speech ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವಷ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅವು 2 ಇರಲಿ 3 ಇರಲಿ 4 ಇರಲಿ how much completed, that much you have to prepare for FA1 test. Is it understand? Okay, let's continue. Yes, parts of speech you have to practice. Then tense. Tense is already finished. So you have to look the formula. You have to look the formula. I give one formula. According to formula, just you make a sentence. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೌ ಟು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಎ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಯಾವ ಥರನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ main verb, when we use main verb and when you use helping verb, you have to look that. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. You have to think about main verb and helping verb. Then even you have to look, already you learned articles also. I hope you learned. Just once again you have to look articles. Then pair of words. Pair of word means what? For example, right. See here, it is called pair of words. Right. That means what? First one right means ಬರೆಯೋದು. Pronunciation is same but different meaning. This one right ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ right side ಅನ್ನೋದು. Okay, for example, I write here, come to right side. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Is it understand? Come to right side. ಈ ಥರ ಏನೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. You have to look all the things. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ನೀವೇನು ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಈವನ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ V1, V2, V3 ಆರ್ ಯಾವುದು ವರ್ಬ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Is it understand? Okay, I hope you understood very well. Okay, see you in the next class.